Hello friends, I am Karthik, a trader in stock market. In this video, we are going to see Nifty option chain analysis for 8th June 2021. So, please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon and never miss any update. Small disclaimer. So I have taken the Nifty option chain. Okay, so I have taken weekly expiry option chain for 10 June 2021. Okay, based on this weekly expiry option chain, we will be analyzing the market for 8th June 2021. That is on 8th June 2021, whether the market will be in green or in red. Okay, so this is the option chain. So the data which you can see is, first is open interest, second is change in open interest, then volume, then LTP, then change. Okay, and this is the strike price. I have taken from 15,000 strike price to 16,200. Okay, on the right hand side you can see I have taken open interest, change in open interest, volume, LTP and change. This is for put. So put represents support. On the left hand side you can see it's for call. So call represents resistance. Okay, so first we will be seeing on the call side. Okay, on the call side, so today the market closed at 15,751. Okay, this was the closing. Okay, so based on that we can make a range that 15,700 to 15,750 to 15,800. This will be the range. Okay, the closing price falls between this range. Okay, when you see this range, so the first resistance is at 15,800. Okay, so 15,800 as the first resistance, and you can see the open interest is around 38,464 and the volume is also more, that is the volume is around 6,54,693. okay, this is the volume. Okay, this will be our first resistance. Okay, then the second resistance is at 15,900. okay, this was his first resistance 15,800, so 15,900 is second resistance, and here the open interest is 32,827. okay, and volume also it is 4,10,857. okay, this will be our second resistance, and third resistance is at 16,000. okay, this will be our third resistance. okay, this 16,000 will be our third resistance. Here also you can see the volume is 4,221. so this is also volume is more. okay, and the resistance open interest is at 44,672. this is the open interest. okay, we will ignore the fourth resistance because the market will not increase in one day more than 250 points. okay, it happens very rare condition, but by seeing this scenario, tomorrow the market may not cross 16,000. okay, so we can go stop here itself. so we will stop at three resistance. okay, 15,800 first one, 15,900 second one, and 16,000 third one. okay, and when it comes to put side, that is the puts represents the support. okay, based on the closing price, so the range was 15,700 to 15,800. so the first support is at 15,700. okay, and the volume is also more, 6,56,197 contracts. okay, and the open interest is also 44,826. so this will be our major support. okay, 15,700, it is a major support to us. okay, then the second support is at 15,600, and the volume here also it is high, 4,48,733. okay, this is the volume and the open interest also you can see it is around 39,073. Okay, and this will be our second support. Okay, and third support is at 15,500. Okay, and the volume here you can see is 3,418. Okay, and the open interest also it is 40,166. So it's a huge open interest. Okay, so this will be our third support. Okay, and so and the fourth support is at 15,000. Okay, 15,000, but here the volume is not that much. You can say only 1,52,942 contract. Okay, so but the open interest is more. Okay, the open interest is around 40,995. Okay, but we will be ignoring this as of today because the market is right now at 15,750 range. Okay, in one day the market will not go, that means in one day the market will not reduce 750. Okay, again it may happen, but on a very rare condition. So we are ignoring this fourth support as of now. Okay, by seeing all this one, so we can draw a range called that 50,500, 600 and 700 will be our support zone. 15,500, 600 and 700. So this will be our support zone. Okay, when it comes to resistance, on the resistance we have 15,800, 900 and 16,000. 15,800, 900 and 16,000. Okay, this will be our resistance. Okay, resistance. So this is our resistance zone and this is our support zone. Why have not taken 16,000 in the sense? So I don't feel that tomorrow the market will increase around 250 points in one day. Until you get any positive news, the chances are very rare. So I have ignored that resistance. So the market will trade tomorrow within this range and most probably within this 15,700 to 15,900. In this range only it will be, and the market will be in again in a positive manner. That is positive in the sense market will be again in an increasing trend only. Okay, this is just my assumption. Okay, so based on this option chain analysis, I feel that market will be green tomorrow. How I can say that in the sense, based on the volumes. See, the volumes are huge, especially in call side in these areas. Okay, where all it in the sense. See, 15,700 you have 6 lakh contracts, and 15,750 4 lakh contracts, and 15,800 you have 6 lakh contract, and again here you have 4 lakh 4 lakh. So overall it is huge contract has been done. But when it comes to support side, I don't see that much contract has been written. Contract is there but not that much. So that means the market will be again in green tomorrow. That means for 8th June, so the market will be in increasing mode only. Okay, but still market is always driven by some news, so anything can happen, but be cautious while trading. Okay, so this is the option chain analysis for trading 8th June, and the range is, this is the range. Okay.